Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Donna and today I'm doing an unboxing of the NOMAKENOLIFE subscription box. The real way this is probably supposed to be pronounced is like no make, no life. And if you want to see what I got in the July 2020 box, then keep on watching. All my socials and every way to kind of keep up with all the makeup that I'm buying and reviewing are listed down below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to this video. If you like the look that I currently am wearing on my face, I just did my review on the Smokey Glow and Midas Cosmetic collab, and I will link that right up here so you can go watch that and see my review. And now we go on to the unboxing. This is my first box from this subscription, but I'm sure you've seen this. If you're into like beauty and you have Instagram, I know you've seen this come across your feed, and I fell for it, guys. I did it. I saw it and I'm like, what's this? Cute Japanese and South Korean makeup? Sign me up. And I did. I signed up and I got a box. It was $35 US, which isn't horrible. But at the same time, I was like, okay, what is it going to be? So anyways, I just cut it open. I haven't opened it. We're doing this like together. Let me like move so we can see what's going on. I really hope it's cutesy stuff. All it's got to be is like something like Sailor Moon and I'll just die. Okay. We have here Summer in Seoul. It says August 2020, but it's probably just a month ahead. Some sort of little magazine. I will look at that later. I have here, what is this? For Fefe Rafe, I'm going to just mispronounce so many things. You're whatever that is. Fefe Rafe Ice Cream Mask Pack. Okay, that's a lot of Korean on the back. So, okay. I will look up how long. You know what? I'm going to hold up my phone and do that thing where Google can translate text. But it's cute. That looks like Baskin Robbins, right? Isn't that what that's supposed to be? Okay, that's cute. Little mask there. And what do we have here? Ooh, some makeup. Okay. Metallic eyeliner. Okay. Okay. A metallic eyeliner. I like it. All right. Here we go. And this is the shade here. Let me just open it up. Like, this is kind of wild. I've never really bought makeup from another country, except if like when I go to Europe and things like that, I buy like Max Factor because their mascara is fantastic. And there's some brands you can't get here. I love getting like Nivea sunscreen and all that stuff that they don't sell in North America. Anything else makeup? Oh, you know the Lash Paradise mascara that people like go crazy for? Do you know that it comes in different colors? Yeah, they sell it in Greece. I have a purple and I have, what other one was there? A blue? Yeah, the packaging is different, but it's a Lash Paradise. So, you know, feast on that knowledge. Anyways, this is Crayon Touch Me Pencil Eyeliner. This is it here. And I'm going to put it right here. And go a little closer to you guys. Is it metallic? Yeah, it's got a little bit of shimmer. Nothing super crazy, but that's okay. And the next thing is, ooh, it's a little eyeshadow thing here. Misha. And that's all Korean. And I'm gonna open this so we can see what is happening with this. Ooh. It's got a little bit of like some gold glitter in there. The gold little flecks you see, they are shiny. Very, very glittery. A lot more subtle orange than I thought it would be. That's very interesting. It's almost in a peachy kind of family there. This would go so well with the Pat McGrath, the peach set, the lip set that I got that I was like gushing over in my review. If you haven't seen that, I'll link it up here. The lip liner and the lip gloss set like together might be my favorite combination of two things ever. It's fantastic. Anyways, moving on. Oh my gosh, it's something with Jigglypuff on it. Oh my lord. What is this? Pokemon Cool Body Gel from Lavizia, I think. I think it might be this from here, but it's a cool body gel, it says. What does that mean? Do I put this on after the shower? I'm gonna need a lot of Google Translate going on in here, but it's cute. That's Jigglypuff. Like, come on. It's that's nice. All right. Well, I'll give it a go. This one is from Japan. They're all from different places, right? Yeah, like that's Japanese lettering. This is Korean. Like I can tell, I know the difference. Okay, very nice. Jigglypuff, you go there. And then we have a 3-tone palette. Okay, wow, all right. I'll take it out so that you can see it here. Okay, there we go. Oh, where's the glare? The glare is gone. So this is supposed to be doing the ombre effect. They're kind of telling you where to put it, and so that way you get the different colors and everything like that. So that's really cute. Crayon Touch Me. I feel like this is the same as the lip pencil. Same brand. That's a Crayon Touch Me. Okay. And oh, the same brand here. This is Color Finish Powder. Very pale. This is K Beauty, so that's gonna happen. I think I am a little bit too tanned right now to even use this, but you know what? I'm sure when my tan fades, so I got a little finishing powder here. That's cool. Okay, what in the world is, oh, it's aloe. Look at this bottle though. It looked like this in the box, and I was like, is this a dragon's tooth? No, it's aloe, 99% fresh moisturizing soothing gel. Okay. Well, that bottle is just like the coolest thing right there. I'm just going to put it like that. There we go. Okay, you know what? Aloe is really great. I have had some sunburns this year, so I love how it looks like the aloe leaf. So that's see, this is the thing. It's packaging. Their stuff is pretty good too, but packaging is just so huge. There are other subscription boxes you can get from like South Korea and Japan, and they're like the heavy duty, well, not like heavy duty, but like the good skincare. Like they know skincare like nobody else. But those boxes are like 50, 60 bucks. Like they start getting up there. But if you're interested in that, and if you go on to the website, they actually have a lot of different subscription boxes from this one company. So just look up like 10 best Korean subscription boxes. And because I wanted to make sure this place was legit, I thought it was a scam. And here we go. This is my last thing, and it's a flower puff for powder foundation. Okay, now we're just being totally cute, and I'm gonna open it. Okay. Oh my goodness me. So like, I'm gonna go like this, and when I have to like put on my powder foundation. That's right, I'm gonna go on my hourglass and do my like finishing powder just like this. Oh my Lord. Oh, it has a ribbon. So you can do it. I was going right there. You go. See, look at, you can't disturb the flower. You can't disturb this flower. Okay. This is really cute, and it's very soft, and yeah, it does separate from the flower. So if you had to wash this, you can definitely do that. And the stitching looks pretty good. Okay. That's just really super cute. Okay. So let's just recap what we got. So it was nice. It was a little balance of makeup and skincare. So I'm kind of really happy about that. We have our little face puff here with the flower. This stuff is so random. We have the aloe here. I'm sorry, I'm laughing. I can't. The aloe here. And we have the Cool Body Gel, the Pokemon edition. Got a little Jigglypuff. And we have this by Misha. This eyeshadow here. Nice kind of peach color. That one right there. Then we have the metallic eye crayon here in this color. Then there is a finish powder here in this pale color. 3-tone ombre kind of like lip palette here. Comes with like a little brush. And then we have our little Baskin Robbins face cream, face mask, sorry. And there it feels like there's, you know what, this I think this is a sheet mask, because like sheet masks are like all the rage over in like Korea and things like that. And this is Korean, yes, 100%. Okay, so that was my box. I think, you know what, for 35 US coming from foreign country, like not from the States, but like, you know, you had to cross the Pacific. I think that's pretty cool. I don't think it's overpriced, but again, I haven't tried the products, so I have to make sure that they're good before I make a real kind of like sound opinion on it. I know I am getting the August box, and I wanted to wait until I open this to see, is it something I want to continue doing? So you know what, I'm going to wait till the August box as well. Maybe I'll get it a couple more months just to see. These are like a lot of little things, and they really start adding up. So I can see me stopping at some point just so I can use up the stuff and then, you know, maybe restart. So anyways, that's it for me. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching me laugh and open up these things. They're just so cute. I'm like laughing because they're cute, okay? And I think we can all agree that they're just very unique and some things that you just wouldn't see here. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like it and to subscribe to my channel to see more of my unboxings and my review and my makeup collection. Check out the other videos that are popping up right here. I'm sure there's going to be something in my videos and my playlist that you're just gonna love to watch. I have a ton of other unboxings and a lot of other makeup reviews. I would love to hear from you guys, so feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, everyone.